Hey guys, it's me again. I was just live showing you a 5-bedroom, 4-bath home over at another subdivision. Price point about $350-ish. I'm coming over here to another, it's 5-bedroom day. I'm over here, I'm still in the city of Lawrenceville, Gwinnett County, getting ready to show you another 5-bedroom, 4 baths, and it's about a $50,000 price difference. So you're seeing two different properties. I'm going in, let my on-site agent Gina come and say, D, you got to get out here and see this gorgeous 5-bedroom home. So I'm going to go in here and talk with Gina, let her show you guys around. Come on, let's take a look. And again, I say this is 5 bedrooms, 4 baths. Look at this nice grand open entry, light and breezy, beautiful. Look at it. Can you see yourself in this dining area during the holidays? Beautiful. Coffer ceilings, beautiful. And we're going to come in and we're going to let Miss Gina give you the grand tour.
Hey, Melanie, so glad you stopped by. I'm sure, everybody's enjoying the beautiful homes. Like she said, 5-bedroom, 4 bathrooms are really hard to find. We have them here, ready to move in, ready for your Halloween party, even before Thanksgiving, for Christmas. You can move into this beautiful home in the lower 300. I even have this out for plan, ready to move in tomorrow.
Oh, $300,000,
$355,000. So you need to give the owner a call. White cabinets, stainless steel appliances, beautiful wood floors. We do have those 2 floor plans that I'm telling you they're ready. We even throw the porch, which is an upgrade. Well, they're already built and ready for these other 2 homes that we have for sale. So as you can see, you just get the flooring of the porch, you get the whole roof with the fan on it.
Beautiful.
It has a guest bedroom in the lower level, which a lot of people love for those who have that older person who comes to visit, or a lot of older parents living with families these days.
Yeah, that's what's
so
happening
we have
these days.
that bedroom down here where they don't have to go up and down, or for those visitors who just visited. That's perfect. We have also great schools. That's another thing.
Okay.
People come just for the schools first, and they're like, I don't care what the house looks like, but you have great schools. So
Gotcha.
Dyer Elementary, Twin Rivers, Mountain View High School.
Wow, yeah, I have a lot of buyers calling looking for Gwinnett County and Lawrenceville.
But
So
those schools are #1 schools in the Gwinnett area too.
perfect. All right, so we're gonna follow you upstairs.
Oh, let's go.
And I didn't even tell them about the Loft area. How cool is that? 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, and a loft. Who needs to move by the holiday? Call me now. D-Lowe, 770-885-3790. Call me. I'm out here with Gina. We waiting on you guys. Oh, we gonna show
Saturday, Sunday, so
right.
every day open.
So let's see what the master has to offer. Let me get out the way. How you like that?
That amazing. It's a beautiful master. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Perfect size. Very bright. Love the ceilings. So you can capture that too.
And nice furnishings in here. You can see exactly how your
Correct. So this is a
furniture's looking
huge,
here.
huge king size. I think this is like a bigger king size.
Yeah, that's nice,
Very.
massive. Still has sitting area, laying area. It's not cramped in here.
For those who have babies, this would be a good nursery area too.
It would. Very nice.
When you're not top having everything over you, but and then beautiful bathroom.
And ladies, you're gonna love this master closet. Absolutely love it.
2 doors, just
Yeah, that's beautiful. That's grand. Very grand.
The closet is the size of one of our bedrooms, really.
Okay.
It is so big. It is really, really, really huge.
Get it customized to your.
You can have a
Your
whole
style.
wall of shoes, pairs, and etc.
That's nice.
It's about to show it to everybody. It's just right there. That whole row of
That is a closet. Wow. How cool is that? So again, who needs to move by the us a call. These places are ready to go. We can do some ground up, but give me a call today. I can bring you out here. We can write up a contract with Gina. 770-885-3790. Call me now. All right.
Thank you. See you all soon.
Bye.